Hello students, welcome to the Nitya classes. In this video, we are going to solve the practice question set 7, fractional number and 4 fundamental operations. Okay, so let's start. The first question is Rahul had 3/4 of the cake. He ate 1/3 of it. What part of the cake did he eat? Okay, Rahul had 3/4 of a cake. It means he had 3/4 of a cake like this. See, so shaded part here. So it means this is the 3/4 of the part he had the cake. Okay. And 1/3 of it he eat. 1/3 of he eat means here 1/3. This part he eat. Okay. 1/3 he eat. From this 1/3 he eat. Okay. From this. See 1/3 eat. And what part of the cake did he eat? Okay. We have to find that one, that part. So see here 1/3 he eat this much. It means total part is 4 na. So he eat only one part. So how much remaining? So 1/4. So 1/4 is the answer. Okay. So see here 1/3 of 3/4 is the he had cake and 1/3 of it means and 3 ones are 3, 4 threes are 12 and 3 ones are 3 fours are 12. So 1/4 is the answer. Okay. Next question. A tailor has 37 is to 1/2 meters of cloth and he has to make 8 pieces out of a meter of cloth. How many pieces can we make out of this cloth? Okay, he has a tailor has 37 is to 1/2 meters of a cloth. Okay, see here the length of each piece is 8 pieces out of a meter of cloth. Okay, for example, see the length of each piece equal to 1/8 meter. So required number of pieces. So required number of pieces is 37 raised to 1/2 divided by 1/8. When we divide, we get the answer. Yes, na? So 37 is to 1/2. It means 75 divided by 2 divided by 1/8. This is the mixed fraction. We have to convert in an improper fraction. We get 75/2. So when we convert here 7 in the fraction, we have to reciprocal the second fraction and 8/1. We have to take a multiple sign and 2 ones are 2 fours are 8 and 75 fours are 300. So 300 pieces. Okay, the required number of pieces is 300 pieces. So answer is 300. Option number B is the answer. Okay, next one. A sum of rupees 6 is to 1/4 is made up of 8 coins. Okay, 80 coins which are either 10 paise or 5 paise. How many are there of each kind? Okay, so here a sum of rupees 6 is to 1/4. 6 is to 1/4 or you can say 6 rupees 25 paise. 6 rupees 25 paise. Okay, is made up of 80 coins. So that is a 80 coins made up of 80 coins which are either 10 paise or 5 paise. How many are there of each kind? Okay, how many are there? It means 10 paises or 5 paises. How many each kind are there? So okay, see here how we solve this. The number of 10. Let the number of 10 paise coins be x. We don't know na the coins how much are there, so we have to take x. The number of 5 paise coins equal to 80, that is a total 80 coins minus this 10 paise coins. When we subtract, we get the 5 paise coins. Yes na? So 80 minus x. Now the value of 10 paise in rupees. Okay, we have to convert the paise into rupees. So that is 10 divided by 100. We know that rupees, we have to convert the paise into rupees. We have to divide by 100. Okay, 1 by 10 by 100. So that is 1 by 10 rupees. 10 paise is equal to 1 by 10 rupees. Okay, and similarly, the value of 5 paise in rupees. 5 paise in rupees, 5 divided by 100. So 5 ones are 5 20s are 100. So 1 by 20 rupees is equal to 5 paise. Okay. So we have to do is see now 1 by 10. 1 by 10 into total coins plus 1 by 20 into 80 minus x coins equal to 6 is to 1 by 4 rupees. The given question. So now we have to simplify this. So 1x that 1x divided by 10, 1x, or you can write x only. Then you have to multiply the 1 with 80 and x both. So that is 80 minus x divided by 20. Okay, equal to 6 is to 1 by 4. It means we have to, this is a mixed fraction, we have to convert in a improper fraction. So 6 4s are 24 plus 1 is 25 by 4 rupees. 25 by 4 rupees. And now you have to take a LCM of 10 and 20. So LCM is 20. So 10 2s are and 21s are. So see 2x and plus 81s are 80 and minus x as it is and divided by 20 is the LCM. So now we have to see 2x plus 80 minus x equal to, that is question 25 by 4 rupees. So now we have to subtract 2x minus x equal to x. 1x plus 80 divided by 20. So 25 divided by 4. So what we get here? X equal to, we have to find the x value first. So x plus 80 equal to, we can write like this, 25 divided by 4 into 20. Because this is the division, we have to multiply. So 4 ones are 4 5s are. So 25 into 5 is 125. So x plus 80 equal to 125 we get. So x equal to 125 minus 80 equal to 45. So x equal to 45 means that is a 10 paise coins. It means 10 paise coins we get, that is 45. Okay. So here I will be erase 10 paise coins we get. So now that is the number of 10 paise coins is we get, that is x equal to 45 coins. And now we have to find the 5 paise number of 5 paise coins equal to 80 minus x equal to 80 minus x equal to 45. The value is 80 minus 45 is 35. So here 45 and 35 we get the answer. So answer will be option number A. 45 and 35 is the answer. 45 coins and 35 coins. Okay, option number A is the answer. So next one. Fourth one. Vinay consumes 1600 milliliter of milk every day. How many liters of milk will he consume in 4 weeks? in 4 weeks. Okay, Vinay consumes 1600 milliliter of milk. So daily consumption of milk is 1600 milliliter equal to, we have to convert this milliliter into liter. So how we convert 1600 divided by 1000, because 1 milliliter equal to 1 by 1000 liter. So 1600 divided by 1000. So these two cut, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10. So we get 8 by 5 liter. So the consumption of milk in 4 weeks, we have to find the 4 weeks consumption of milk, no? In 4 weeks. So we know that 1 week equal to 7 days. 1 week equal to 7 days. So 4 into 7. 4 weeks means 4 into 7. We get 28 days. So now 28 days into, we have to 8 by 5 multiply. So 28 into 8s are 224 divided by 5 liter. Okay, we got the answer, but they are given in the mixed fraction. So now we have to convert this in a mixed fraction. So how we convert? We have to divide. So 5 fours are 20, 2 remainder, 4 you have to bring down, and again 5 fours are 20 and 4 remainder. So see, 5 in a divisor and 44 is to 4 by 5 is the answer. Option number D. 44 is to 4 by 5 liter is the answer. Okay. Next one. Fifth one. A maximum of how many pieces of 12 is to 3 by 5 centimeter can be cut from 857 centimeter long rod. Okay. We have to find the maximum number of pieces. So they are given the length of the rod. Length of the rod is 857 centimeter. That is total length. They are given total length of the rod. That is 857 centimeter. The length of each piece is, that is 12 is to 3 by 5 centimeter. Length of each piece. Each piece. So that is 12 is to 3 by centimeter means that is they are given in the mixed fraction. So we have to convert it in a improper fraction. So 12 5 is 60, 60 plus 3 is 63 divided by 5. Okay, the length of the piece is 63 by 5 centimeter. The maximum number of pieces that can be cut is, so when we divide, we get that pieces divided by 63 upon 5. So we know that this is the fraction of division. So we have to reciprocal the second fraction. So 857 multiplied by 5 divided by 63. So there will be the no common factor for this. So we have to multiply 857 multiply by 5. 4285 we get, and divided by 63. So the question is in the whole part they are given. So we have to, this is the improper fraction. So we have to convert it in a mixed fraction. So we have to divide 4285. So 63, 6 are 378. So when we subtract 428 minus 378, we get 50. And we have to bring down 5. And 63, 8s are 504. So remainder is 1. So 68 raised to 1 by 63 is the answer. But they are given in the whole part only. So we have to take here whole part only, that 68. Approximately we have to take here, okay? 68 is to 1 by 63 is the answer. But they are given the approximately. So we have to take 68, that a whole part. So answer will be the option number A, 68 pieces. Okay, the maximum number of pieces are 68. Okay, then can be cut. So next question. Rahul donates blood thrice in 2 years. Thrice in, it means 3 times in 2 years and 450 ml each time. Okay, 3 times in 2 years and 450 ml in each time. Okay, each time. How many liters of blood will he donate in 8 years? So you have to find the 8 years blood donate. Okay, so see here, the Rahul donated the thrice. So blood donated in 2 years. 2 years equal to 3 multiplied by 450 ml. Yes, na? Because he donates thrice time in 2 years. So 2 years equal to 3 multiplied by 450 ml. So when we multiply, we get 1350 ml milliliter. So this is the milliliter. We have to convert in a liter. So we know that 1 milliliter equal to 1 by 1000 liter. 1350 divided by 1000. So this 0 code, this 0 code. So 5 20s are 5 2s are 10. 3 remainder, 5 7s are 35. So 27 upon 20 we get. In 2 years, he donated 27 by 20 liter. Okay, now the quantity of blood donated in 8 years, we have to find out. In 8 years equal to, see here, 27 by 20 liter he donated in 2 years. Yes, na? So we have to find the 8 years. They are given the 8 years we have to find, and their given year is 2 years. So we have to take that one. So 2 ones are 2 fours are 8, 4 ones are 4 fives are 20. So 27 by 5. So this is the improper fraction. So we have to convert in a mixed fraction. So 5 fives are 25 plus 2. So 5 is to 2 by 5 is the answer. Option number B. 5 is to 2 by 5 is the answer. Next. The smallest fraction which should be subtracted from the sum of 2 is to 1 by 3, 5 is to 3 by 4 and 3 is to 5 by 6 to make the result a whole number is. See here, the smallest fraction which should be subtracted from the sum of these numbers. Sum of these fractions, it means we have to first add these fractions to make the result a whole number is. So first of all we have to add these numbers. So 2 is to 1 by 3 plus 5 is to 3 by 4 plus 3 is to 5 by 6. So first of all we have to whole part 2 plus 5 plus 3 and then 1 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6. So 2 plus 5 plus 3 is 10. And now you have to take the 3, 4, 6 is LCM. So 3 ones are 3, 4 as it is, 3 twos are 6 and 1 as it is, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are and 2 ones are. So 3 multiplied by 2, 3 twos are 6, 6 twos are 12 is the LCM. So we have to make the equivalent fraction. So 12, 12, 12. So 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 5 2s are 10. So we get 10 is to 12 as it is. Denominator are same. So we have to add 4 plus 9 plus 10 is 23. So 10 is to 23 upon 12 is the answer. Okay, but they are not given in this form. So again we have to see 10 as it is we have to take. Again we have to convert this fraction part into mixed fraction. Okay, like this. 12 twos are 12 twos are not 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. So 12 ones are 12 and remainder is 11. So we can write like this: 12 as a divisor and 12 ones are 1 plus 11. So 10 plus 1. So see here, 10 plus 1 is 11. We have to add the whole part and L1 by 12. So here the question is smallest fraction which should be subtracted from the sum. The sum we get L1 is to L1 by 12 is the sum of this fraction. So the smallest fraction which should be subtracted from. So this one fraction. So L1 by 12, when we subtract this, we get the whole number. The question is that we have to make the whole number. So when we subtract L1 by 12, so L1 is also whole number and we know that L1 is the whole part and L1 by 12 is the fraction part. So for making the whole number, when we subtract L1 by 12, we get the whole number, that is L1. So we get the result. So the option number D, L1 by 12. See, L1 by 12, when we subtract, we get the as a whole number as a L1. So this is the answer. When they are telling the subtracted, it means the fraction part is our answer. Okay. Next. The smallest fraction which should be added to the sum of 3 to 1 by 2 and 5 to 1 by 8 to make the result a whole number is. The similar question, but here the added to the sum of. So first of all, we have to take the sum of these fractions. So 3 is to 1 by 2 plus 5 is to 1 by 8. We have to take the sum of these results. So 5, first we have to add the whole part and then fraction part. 5 plus 3 is 8 and 2 and 8's LCM we have to take. So 2 ones are 2 fours are 8 and 2 twos are 4 and 2 ones are 2. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8 is the LCM. Okay, so you have to take 8 here and 8, sorry, 8, 8. So 2 4s are 8, 8 1s are 8. So 4 1s are 4 plus 1 1s are 1. Okay, what we get? 8 is to 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 by 8. Yes, 2 is to 5 by 8 we get. Okay, so see here, in last question, we subtracted this fraction part for getting the whole number 8. But they are telling here that is the question subtracted. But here we have to add. Okay, the smallest fraction which should be added to the sum of this number. The sum is this, na? We get the sum of these fractions is this. Okay, so which should be added to this fraction so that the number will be the whole number. So see here, this is the extra fraction part is extra, no, 8's after that this. So 8's next number is 9. Okay, 8's next whole number is 9. So 9 minus 8 is 1. So 9 minus, see, 9 minus 8 is 1. So we have to subtract 1 minus 5 by 8. So here we have to take a 1 and 1 8's are 8, 8 1's are 8. We have to take the again LCM of the 1 and 8. So 8 ones are 8 minus 5 ones are 5. So 8 denominator as it is and 8 minus 5 is 3 by 8 is the answer. In this way you get the answer. Okay, when the question is smallest fraction which should be added to. Okay, added to means we have to subtract. So what we get the answer, no, that is our final answer. So that is 3 by 8 is the answer. Okay, you can recheck like 8 is to 5 by 8. When we add, the question is when we add that fraction, see here 3 by 8. When we add this, see here, these are the like fractions. So 8 as it is and 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8 ones are 8 ones are, you know that 8 plus 1 that becomes whole as a 9. So see here, 8's next whole number is 9 now. So we get the answer. You can recheck like this. Okay. So option number C is the answer. So next question. The smallest fraction which should be added to the difference of 5 is to 2 by 3 and 3 is to 5 by 6 to make the result a whole number is. So 5 is to 2 by 3 difference. Same question but here the difference. It means we have to subtract it. 2 by 3 minus 3 to 5 by 6. So 5 minus 3 whole part we have to subtract first and 5 by 6. 5 minus 3 is 2 and 3 and 6 is LCM we have to take. 3 ones are 3 twos are and 2 ones are. So 3 multiplied by 2 that is 6 LCM. So here 6 and here also 6. So 3 twos are 6 and 6 ones are 6. 2 twos are 4 and 5 ones are 5. So what we get? 2. Here this is the first fraction is smallest than this. So 4 minus 5 is minus 1 and 6 as it is. We get 2 minus 1 by 6. So again we have to subtract because that is a minus sign. No? So how we subtract? See, 2 minus 1 by 6. Again we have to subtract like a again you have to take a 1 and 1 6 are 1 and 6 ones are 6. 1 and 6 again we have to take the LCM. So 6 2s are 12 minus 1 ones are 1 divided by 6. So 12 minus 1 is 11 by 6. We get the 11 by 6 answer. So we have to convert it in a improper fraction. 6 ones are 6 plus 5 that is 11. So 1 is to 5 by 6 we get. So here required question is that the required smallest fraction which should be added to the difference of this. So see here we have to again subtract 1 because here this 1 is to 5 by 6 is the difference. Yes, now we get the difference. But once the next number whole is 2. So 2 minus 1 we have to do is 2 minus 1 is 1. So we have to take 1 here and 1 minus 5 by 6. We have to subtract 1 minus 5 by 6. And again we have to take the 1 and 6 is LCM and 1 6 are 6 and 6 1 are 6 and 6 1 are 6 minus 5 1 are 5 and divided by 6. So 6 minus 5 is 1 divided by 6. So this is the final answer. Okay. 1 by 6 is the answer. So when we add it to this 1 by 6 to this fraction, so we get the whole number as a 2. Okay. The one's next whole number is 2. We get that whole number. Okay. The question is that whole number. So again you have to subtract like this. Okay. Next question. The smallest fraction which should be subtracted from the difference of 12 is to 5 by 6 and 4 is to 5 by 9 to make the result a whole number is. So the similar question, we have to first take the difference of this fraction. So 12 is to 5 by 6 minus 4 is to 5 by 9 equal to, we have to first subtract the whole part and then fraction part. 12 minus 4 is 8. And again we have to take the 6 and 9's LCM. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 and 2 1s are and 3 1s are. So 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 18 is the LCM minus 18. So 6 3s are 18. 9 2s are 18. 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10. So we get 8 is to 15 minus 10 is 5 by 18. 8 is to 5 by 18 we get. The question is that the smallest fraction which should be subtracted. Fraction which should be subtracted from the difference. So difference is this which should be subtracted from this fraction. So that is 5 by 18. When we subtract 5 by 18 from 8, it means when we subtract this, we get the 8 as a whole number, no? That is 8 is already whole number. So when we subtract this, it means we cancel this, we get the whole number as a 8. So 5 by 18 is the answer. Option number B, 5 by 18 is the answer. 11th, a man spends 2/5 of his salary on his house rent, 3/7 of it on food, and 1/10 of it on conveyance. What part of his salary he spends in all these? Okay, a man spends 2/5 of his salary. So his total salary you can take a 1 minus 23. His total spending amount is 2 by 5 minus 3 by 7 plus we have to make 3 by 7 plus 1 by 10. It means these are the total spent amounts. Yes, na? These are the total part of the salary spent. Salary spent are 2 by 5 plus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 10. So, we have to take the LCM of the 5, 10, 5, 7 and 10. These are the unlike fraction. So 5 ones are 5, 7 as it is, 5 twos are. So these are the prime numbers. So we can multiply 5 twos are 10, 10 sevens are 70. We get the answer. T by 10. So see here, we get the 70 as a LCM. So now 1 minus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 10. So we have to take the LCM of the 5, 7 and 10. So we get the LCM like 70 plus 70 and then 70. The question, what part of his salary he spent in all these? Yes. Okay, in all these what spent? Okay, so you have to take like this. So you have to divide the 70 by 5. We get 14 and 70 divided by 7, that is 10, and then 77. So 14 twos are 28, 10 threes are 30, 7 ones are 7. So 28 plus 30 plus 7, we get 65 and divided by 70 as it is. So now we have to reduce this because they are not in the options. So 14s are, so 13 by 14 part. Option number B. 13 by 14 is the answer. A man spends 2/5 on his salary on house rent, of it food, and 1/10 of is on conveyance. And what part of his salary he spent in all these? In all these, he spent 13 by 14 part of his salary. Okay, the option number B is the answer. Next one. Ramesh spends 2/5 on his salary on house rent, 3/10 on his salary on food, and 1/8 on his salary on travel. He deposits the remaining salary in his bank account. Find the part of his salary deposited on his bank account. So here, first of all, we have to take the total part of the salary spent. That is a 2/5 plus 3 by 10. These are the total part of the salary spent. Okay, so we have to take the LCM of the 5, 10 and 8. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 and 8 as it is. 2 ones are 2 fours are and 2 twos are 4. So 5 twos are 10. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 and 8 at is it. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4 and then 2 ones are 2. So 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 5 twos are 10, 10 twos are 20, 20 twos are 40 LCM. So we get the LCM as 40. So I have to make the equivalent fraction. So 5 8s are 40, 10 8s are 10 4s are 40, 8 5s are 40, 8 2s are 16, 4 3s are 12, 5 1s are 5. So what we get? 40 as it is. 16 plus 12 plus 5 is 33. So we get 33 upon 40, the total part of his salary spent. And then we have to find that the part of his salary deposited on his bank account. Yes, na? So total salary is 1. We have to take 1 minus 33 by 40. So here we have to take a denominator as an 1 and 40's LCM is 40. So 140 is a 40, 41 is a 40. So 40 minus 33 divided by 40. 40 minus 33 is 7 by 40 part. 7 by 40 part. The part of his salary deposited on his bank account. So that is 7 by 40. Option number A is the answer. Next one. 13. From a piece of wire 12 is to 3 by 4 meter long, a small piece of length 3 is to 5 by 6 meter has been cut off. What is the length of the remaining piece? So we have to find the shear. The piece of wire. The length of the long wire is 12 is to 3 by 4. Total length of the wire is 2 is to 3 by 4. And a small piece of length has been cut off. Here the cut off small piece. Small piece has been cut off for 3 is to 5 by 6. 3 is to 5 by 6 meter. And what is the length of the remaining piece? So we have to find this one remaining piece. Yes, na remaining piece means we don't know, that is question mark. We have to find that mark. So here the total length of the piece of wire is 12 is to 3 by 4. So 12 is to 3 by 4 minus 3 is to 5 by 6. We get that remaining piece of the length wire. Yes, na? So we have to subtract it simply. So we have to subtract first 12 minus 3, the whole part, and then 3 by 4 minus 5 by 6. 12 minus 3 is 9. And we have to take the 4 and 6 is LCM. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are, and 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. We get the LCM as 12 and we have to make the equivalent fraction. So we have to take the 12 as a denominator. And 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 5 2s are 10. So 9 is to 9 minus 10. So what we get? We get minus 1 by 12 because we are subtracting smaller number from the larger number. Then we get the plus sign. But here we are subtracting oppositely. Na? We are subtracting smaller number, larger number from smaller number. So we get minus 1. So 9 minus 1 divided by 12 we get. So again we have to subtract it. Yes, na? 9 minus 1 by 12 equal to, we have to split this whole part into 8 plus 1 minus 1 by 12. And 1 we have to take, and 1 and 12 LCM is 12. So 12 ones are 12, 1 12s are 1. So 8 plus 12 ones are 12 minus 1 divided by 12. So 8 plus, and then 12 minus 1 is 11 by 12. So 8 is to 11 by 12 meter. This piece of the wire. The length of the remaining piece is 8 is to 11 by 12 meter. This one. Okay. So option number B, 8 is to L1 by 12 meter is the answer. Okay, next one. Three boxes weight 9 is to 1 by 2 kg, 14 is to 1 by 5 kg, and 18 is to 3 by 4 kg respectively. A porter carries all the three boxes. What is the total weight carried by the porter? Okay, so here the three boxes weight is 9 is to 1 by 2, 9 is to 1 by 2, and 14 is to 1 by 5 plus 18 is to 3 by 4, because the three boxes weight they are given respectively. The porter carries all the three boxes. What is the total weight carried by the porter? It means we have to add obviously. So we have to first add the whole part, 9 plus 14 plus 18, and then fraction part. 1 by 2, 1 by 5 and 3 by 4. So 9 plus 14 plus 18 is 41. And we have to take the 254's LCM. 254 and 2 ones are 2, 5 as it is. And 2 twos are 4. And these are the prime numbers. So now we can 2 5s are 10, 10 twos are 20. So 20 is the LCM. So we have to make the equivalent fraction. So 20. So 2 tens are 20, 5 fours are 20, and 4 fives are 20. So 10 ones are 10, 4 ones are 4, 5 threes are 15. So 41 is to 10 plus, we have to take a 20 as it is, and 10 plus 4 plus 15. That comes 29. So 41 is to 29 upon 20. We get the answer, but they are not in the option. No? So again we have to do one thing. We have to uh, convert these improper fraction into again mixed fraction, this part. Okay, 29 by 40 20 you have to again. So 20 ones are 20, so 9 and 0, so we can also write like this now. 20 ones are 20 and remainder is 9. So 41 plus 2 is, we have to add the whole part. So 41 plus 2 is 42 by 9 by 20 kg. So 42 is to 9 by 20 kg, where it says option number D, 42 is to 9 by 20 kg. Option number D is the answer. Next one. One day a laborer earned rupees 125 from this money. He spent rupees 68 is to 1 by 2 on food, rupees 20 is to 3 by 4 on tea, and rupees 16 is to 2 by 5 on other eatables. How much does he save on that day? Okay, here. So first of all, we have to 68 is to 1 by 2. He spent na, so we have to first add 20 is to 3 by 4 plus 16 is to 2 by 5. The other eatables. From this money he spent. So we have to add the spent money first. So we have to add 68 plus 20 plus 16 and fraction part. And then see, when we add 68 plus 20 plus 16, that is 104 we get. So we have to take the 2, 5 and 4's LCM. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 5 as it is. So 2 twos are 4 and 4 fives are 20 is the LCM. So 20 plus 20 and plus 20. So we have to divide the LCM by the denominator. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. And 20 divided by 4 is 5, and 20 divided by 5 is 4. So 10 ones are 10 and 5 threes are 15, 4 twos are 8. So 104 we get 20 as it is because the denominators are like fractions. So 10 plus 15 plus 8 is 33. So 104 is to 33 by 20 we get the answer. So 133. We have to again, this is the improper fraction. So we have to convert in a mixed fraction. So we have to divide 33 by 20. So we get 1 is to 13 by 20. So 101 plus 4 plus 1 is 105 is to 13 by 20. We get 105 plus 13 by 20 we get. So this is the total spent. Yes, na total spent money is 105 is to 13 by 20 is the total spent money. So now we have to find the laborer saves on that day. The total earned is, a labor earned rupees is 125. So from 125 we subtract, we get the saving money na. So that we have to subtract. So 125 minus 105 is to 13 by 20 we have to subtract. So now See, 125, we have to subtract first whole part. 125 minus 105 and 13 is to 20 as it is, and 125 minus 105 is 20 minus 13 by 20. So we get the minus sign, so that we have to subtract it. See here, again we have to subtract. So 20 minus 13 by 20. So 300, what we get, we have to take the LCM of 1 and 20. So 1 and 20 is LCM, 1 20s are and 21s are. So 20 20s are 400. I will write it here. And 13 ones are 13. And the LCM is 20 as it is, we have to take. And 400 minus 13 is 387 divided by 20. So when we have to, this is the improper fraction. So we have to convert in a mixed fraction. We know that we have to divide this. So when we divide, we get 19 as a quotient and 7 as a remainder. So 19 is to 7 by 20 is the answer. So the saving on that day is 19 is to 7 by 20. So the option number B, 19 is to 7 by 20 rupees. He saved that on that day. Okay. Next one. 16. Priya cuts 54 meter of cloth into pieces. Each of length 3 is to 3 by 8 meter. How many pieces does she get? So here, the length of the cloth is 54 meter. 54 meter they are given. That is the length of the cloth. Total length of the cloth. The cloth they are given, and the total length of each piece of cloth is 3 is to each piece of cloth is 3 is to 3 by 8. So we have to take the number of pieces Priya gets. So simply we have to divide 54 divided by 3 is to 3 by 8 pieces. So here 54, we have to first convert this mixed fraction into improper. So we get 27 by 8. So 54 multiply by, we know that we have to reciprocal the second fraction. So 27 ones are 27, twos are 8, twos are 16. So we get the answer, that is 16 pieces. How many pieces does he get? 16 pieces. So option number B is the answer. Next one. 17. A drum is 3/7 filled with water. Another 16 liter of water is needed to fill the whole drum. What is the capacity of the drum? So here, the drum. This is the one drum. So 3/7 part was filled. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is the drum. 3/7 filled with water. It means 3 parts filled with the water. Okay. It means this is 3/7 filled with the water. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 remaining 4 part needed to 16 liter. 16 liter of water needed to fill the whole drum. So what is the capacity of the drum? So we have to find this whole capacity of the drum we have to find. So we know that see here 3/7 they are given. It means 3 part is filled with the water here. Yes, no? So we have to first find the one part, this one part value. So we have to, what we have to do, 16 liter divided by how much are there? See, 16 divided by how many parts are there remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to simply divide. So 4 ones are 4, 4s are 16. So we get the answer, that is in one part we have to add the 4 liter of the water. So here 4 liter, here 4 liter, here 4 liter, 4 liter. Similarly, we get the answer. So 4 into 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So simply 4 liter into 7. So 7 fours are 28 liter. So total drum needs 28 liter, yes na? The capacity of the drum 28 liter. We get the answer, yes na? So you can find like this here. The fraction of drum filled with water is 3 by 7. The remaining part is how we get. So 1 minus 3 by 7 and 1 7, so we have to take the LCM of that number, and 7 1s are 7 and 3. See, it means we get the 1. How we get 1 means that is 1 drum. 1 drum is filled with 3 by 7. We have to find the remaining part. Na? So remaining part is C 7 by 3. So that is 4 by 7. This is the remaining part. Remaining part of the water. Okay. So 4 liter, 4 by 7 equal to this need 4 by 7 needs 16 liter. Yes na? This one I said na here 16 by 4, that is 4 liter. It means this 4 part needs 16 liter. So the one part needed, one part need how much? 16 liter. Yes na? 16 by 4 into 7. So when we multiply, 4 ones are 4, 4s are 16, 7 4s are 28 liter. So see here, in this way, in this diagram, you can easily find the answer. Okay. So 28 liter, the capacity of the drum is 28 liter. So option number C, 28 liter is the answer. Next one. A piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long broke into two pieces. One piece was 1/4 meter long. How long is the other piece? See here, this is the one piece of the wire. How much long? 7 by 8 meter long wire broke into two pieces. Okay, one piece is 1 by 4 meter long. And how long is the other piece? So we don't know that piece. This piece of wire is broke into two pieces. The total piece of the wire is 7 by 8. One piece is 1 by 4. We have to find this one. So simply we have to subtract from total part, total wire and minus broke wire, and we have to subtract. So 8 and 4 is LCM we have to take. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, and 2 1s are 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 is the LCM. So we have to make the equivalent fraction here. So 8 1s are 4 8s are 7 1s are 7, and 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. So 2 1s are 2 here, and 7 minus 2 is 5 by 8 meter. So this is the answer. When we subtract, we get this one. So that is 5 by 8 meter. So option number B is the answer. Next one. In a school, 3/5 of children are boys and the number of girls is 800. The number of boys is, in a school, 3/5 of the children are boys. It means they are not given the total number of the students. So let the total number of the students, total number of students be X. Okay. So the number of girls, they are given number of girls. So number of girls is 800 they are given. So total students they are not given, and they are given the 3/5 of the children are boys. It means 3/5 of the children's. See here, 3/5 of the children, total students multiply by 3 by 5. That is the boys' numbers. Okay, so this is the x minus 3 by x into x. So what we get? 800 equal to x minus 3x minus 5. This is the multiplication, so we have to multiply. So 1 and 5's LCM is 5. So 1 5's are 5 1's are. So that is 5x minus 3x divided by 5. And when you subtract, you get 2x minus 5. So 800 equal to the number of girls, 800 equal to 2x minus 5. So x means here total students. So we have to first of all find the total number of the students. So x and 800 equal to 2x by 5. So x equal to 800. That 5 is in the division, so you have to take a multiplication, and 2 is in the multiplication here. That becomes division. So 2 ones are 2 fours are 8 and 5 fours are, and you can take a 400, 5 fours are 20 and that 0, 2000 total students. X means that is total students we get. 2000 is the total students. So now we have to find the number of boys. We have to find the number of boys, no? So here total students are 2000 and the 3/5 are the 3/5 is the number of boys fraction, no? 3/5 are the number of boys of the children are boys. See the question, number of boys. So we have to simply multiply this. So now see 3 by, so 5 ones are 5 fours are 20. It means 400. 4 threes are 12 and 1200 we get. So that are the 1200 are the number of boys we get. So the total number of the boys is 1200. So the next question. 20. The product of two numbers is 15 is to 5 by 6. If one number is 6 is to 1 by 3, find the other number. So I give the one formula na. First number multiply by second number equal to product. So the product of two numbers is 15 is to 5 by 6. 15 is to 5 by 6 they are given, and first number is 6 is to 1 by 3 they are given. We have to find the second number, so that is question mark. So see here we have to first convert this 6 threes are, so you can take a x or question mark. So 15 is to 5 by 6 and divided by C is to 6 is to 1 by 3. So you have to first convert this in an improper fraction. 15 and you have to convert, so that becomes 95 divided by 6 and divided by 19 by 3. So now we know that 95 by 6 multiply by, we have to reciprocal the second fraction. So that is 3 by 19. So 3 ones are 3, 2s are 6 and 19 ones are 19, 5s are 95. So what we get? 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 is the answer, but they are not given in the improper fraction. They are given in the mixed fraction. So you have to divide. So 2 2s are 4 and 1 remainder. So 2 2s are 4 and 1. 2 is to 1 by 2 is the answer. 2 is to 1 by 2. Option number B is the answer. That second number is 2 is to 1 by 2. So that's it. Bye.